everyone, it's Scarlett from Hunan, free Craftsmen technology company. Our company was
founded in 2017.
and our company covers land area almost 5,000 square meters. You can see here is our storehouse. We put our raw materials and finished products here. We can say this is our workshop for surface treatment and welding. These two rooms, one is our sandblasting room and another is our spray painting room. Here is our R&D Center of Ventilation and Drying Technology.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.